Hi everyone, this video will have some practice problems for Swift arrays. Feel free to follow along or stop the video and try the practice problems yourself. Okay, so you'll start by making your array. You just say var months, and then to make your array you put it in brackets, and then you just add in every month of the year. And then you'll create your for in statement. You say for month or some other variable to reference each month. In months, your array. And then inside that for in loop, you make a switch statement and base it off of your months. And then each case will be a month that has at least one national holiday. And you just put, if it's that month, then you would print this month has this holiday. You can do all the holidays or just choose one. And then the default case will be that month does not have a national holiday. So you'll start by creating your array, var large states, and then again put it in brackets, and those are California, Texas, Florida, and New York. And then run a for in loop for state in large states, print the state. And then to add on, you do large states dot append, and then you add Illinois. And then you say you run your for in loop again. Okay, so in this case, you're just going to do dot insert versus dot append. So large states dot insert, and then you need to put after Illinois, comma, at, and then the place you want, which in this case we want it at slot 1. So for this one, you'll create your array, choose whatever theme parks you want. In this instance, I use Disneyland, Disney World, Six Flags, and Universal Studios, and then run a for in statement to print each park. And then you're going to do you remove, which is you array name theme parks dot remove, and then at whatever index it is. So we're doing at 2, so that would be Six Flags. And then you're going to run your for in loop again to check that it's been removed. All right, so first you're going to create your arrays, item price, which can be whatever item prices you want. And then you need a list of items, and that just needs to have the same number of items as you do prices. And then you're going to create a for in loop. So you're going to do for, and then the name, your variable names. I just put item 1, item 2 in. Now here's where you do your zip, and then you put the 2 array names. So here, items and item price. And then inside that you put print, the cost of item 1 is, and then item 2. Okay, so for this final one, you start by making your array of Lord of the Rings characters, and then you write a for in loop. As we're not actually using the numbers, we're just putting an underscore for where the variable would be. And then we're doing 0 up to Lord of the Rings.count plus 30. We just want it to run a bunch of times, so it would actually run up to 35 times in this case. Then we're going to do let character equals Lord of the Rings dot random element question mark nil. So this is taking some random item from the array and putting it into character. We have to do the question mark nil in case the array is empty. In this case, we know it's full, but in the future we might not, so we want to put that nil so we don't get an error in our code. All right, and then we say our if-else statements, and if the character equals Frodo, then say this character is Frodo, break out of the loop, and we're done. Otherwise, print the character is whatever the character is. And that is it for our practice problems for Swift arrays. I hope this video helped, and I wish you luck as you're learning Swift.